Welcome to Brainy-tainment, the place where we feed your mind with knowledge while entertaining you. Today, we're taking a journey into an unexpected world that we all interact with daily, our food. Specifically, we're focusing on the top 10 foods that should be banned. Now, you may be wondering, why ban certain foods? Well, some of these everyday items carry hidden health risks that can lead to long-term consequences. These foods, while often delicious and convenient, can be laden with harmful ingredients or go through processes that compromise their nutritional value. But this is not about spreading fear, but about promoting awareness and encouraging informed decisions about what we put into our bodies. So prepare to be surprised, intrigued, and hopefully enlightened. Join us as we delve into the world of nutrition and reveal these foods one by one. Starting the countdown at number 10, we have the ubiquitous soda. This fizzy, sugary beverage, while refreshing on a hot day, is laden with empty calories and an alarming amount of sugar. In fact, a single can often exceeds the recommended daily sugar intake, leading to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. But it's not just the sugar that's concerning. Sodas also contain artificial ingredients and preservatives, some of which have been linked to cancer. And let's not forget about the high levels of caffeine, which can lead to sleep issues and dependency. If you're looking for a healthier alternative, why not try infused water? It's simple to make at home. Just add your favorite fruits, herbs, or even vegetables to a pitcher of water. Infused water provides hydration without the harmful effects of soda and can be a fun and tasty way to increase your daily water intake. So remember, while it may taste good, it's not doing your body any favors. Coming in at number 9, we have zero nutrition white bread. This common pantry staple is bleached and stripped of its nutrients, leaving you with nothing more than empty calories. Its high glycemic index spikes blood sugar levels, leading to an energy crash later on. Over time, regular consumption can contribute to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. But don't despair, bread lovers, there's a healthier choice at hand. Opt for whole grain bread instead. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are good for your heart, digestion, and overall health. Whole grain bread has a lower glycemic index, which means it releases energy slowly, keeping you full for longer and helping to control your weight. So next time you're in the bread aisle, make the smarter choice. Swap the white for whole grain. Your health will thank you for making the switch. Next on our list at number 8, let's talk about something that's a staple in many households: canned soup. Yes, it's convenient, but have you ever taken a moment to look at the sodium content? A single serving can contain up to 70% of your daily recommended intake. That's a whole lot of salt. High sodium intake can lead to health issues like high blood pressure and heart disease. Not to mention the bisphenol A or BPA found in the lining of many cans, which has been linked to various health problems. Now, don't despair. There's a healthier substitute waiting for you: homemade soup. You control the ingredients, the sodium, and there's no BPA in sight. Plus, with a bit of planning, you can make a big batch and freeze portions for later. It's a win-win situation. Remember, a small change in your diet can make a big difference. Now we reveal food number 7. Delving deeper into our culinary hall of infamy, we encounter our next offender: canned soup. While it may seem like a convenient, warming comfort food, it's often brimming with sodium. High sodium intake can lead to increased blood pressure and risk of heart disease. Not to mention the bisphenol A or BPA used in the lining of cans has been linked to various health problems, including hormone disruption and increased risk of cancer. Instead, let's embrace a healthier alternative. Homemade soup is not only a healthier option, but also allows you to control what goes into your meal. You can pack it with an array of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and herbs for a nutrient-dense meal. Plus, you'll be avoiding the potentially harmful BPA found in canned goods. So next time you're reaching for that can, think twice. Remember, good health starts with good food. Halfway through our list, at number 6, we find ourselves confronting a common culprit in many diets: processed meats. These are meats that have been preserved by smoking, curing, salting, or adding preservatives. While they might be convenient and tasty, processed meats such as hot dogs, bacon, and certain types of deli meat are linked to serious health issues. Research shows a strong correlation between consumption of processed meats and an increased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Now, before you despair at the thought of giving up your beloved bacon, let's consider a healthier alternative. Opt for lean, unprocessed meats like chicken, turkey, or fish. Better yet, if you're up for it, explore plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. They pack a protein punch without the health risks associated with processed meats. Choosing the right food can be a lifesaver. Taking the fifth spot on our list of foods that should be banned is the ever-popular but insidious soda. Yes, that fizzy, sugary delight that seems to accompany every fast food meal. Soda's appeal lies in its sweet taste, but the cost of that sweetness is a high sugar content and zero nutritional value. Consuming soda regularly can lead to a barrage of health problems, including obesity, tooth decay, and even type 2 diabetes. The sugar in soda can cause your blood glucose levels to spike, which over time can lead to insulin resistance and diabetes. Plus, the phosphoric acid in soda can erode the enamel on your teeth, leading to cavities and tooth decay. Instead of soda, why not opt for a healthier beverage? Infused water, herbal tea, or even a homemade smoothie can quench your thirst and offer some nutritional benefits. So next time, think twice before reaching for this food. Moving on to number 4, we're talking about trans fats, the villain in our food story. Found in many processed foods like margarine, baked goods, and fast food, trans fats are nothing short of a health nightmare. They raise your bad cholesterol levels, lower your good cholesterol levels, and increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. But don't despair, there's a healthier substitute waiting in the wings. Monounsaturated fats. Found in foods like avocados, almonds, and olive oil, these fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and provide nutrients that help develop and maintain your body's cells. So next time you're about to reach for that donut, perhaps consider an almond-studded granola bar instead. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter, healthier choices. And trust me, your body will appreciate this change. Getting closer to number 1, at number 3, we have the infamous processed meats. These are meats that have been transformed through salting, curing, or smoking, and they include favorites like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs. Unfortunately, while they might make your taste buds dance, they're not doing any favors for your health. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen. For perspective, that's the same group as tobacco smoking and asbestos. But don't despair, there's always a healthier alternative. Instead of processed meats, opt for lean, unprocessed meats like chicken or turkey. If you're craving that smoked or cured flavor, try using natural seasonings and spices to mimic the taste. You might be surprised at how satisfying the substitution can be. Remember, every time you eat is an opportunity to nourish your body, so why not make the most of it? Healthy choices lead to a healthier you. Just one away from the top at number 2. We're almost at the pinnacle of our list, but before we get there, let's talk about a food that has become incredibly common in our diets: processed meats. These may be your go-to for a quick sandwich or a barbecue, but did you know that frequent consumption of processed meats can increase your risk of heart disease and certain cancers? This is due to the high amounts of sodium and preservatives they contain. Instead of reaching for that pack of salami or bacon, why not opt for lean, unprocessed meats? Poultry, fish, and even cuts of red meat that haven't been processed can provide you with the protein you need without the added health risks. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you can choose from a variety of plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Remember, your body deserves the best fuel you can give it. Choosing health over taste is always a wise decision. And finally, the food that takes the top spot. The dishonorable title of the number 1 food that should be banned goes to processed meats. Yes, those tantalizing bacon strips, those convenient hot dogs, and that sandwich-friendly ham, they all fall into this category. Why are processed meats at the top of the list, you ask? Well, it's because they are often packed with harmful preservatives, excessive salts, and unhealthy fats. The World Health Organization has even classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, which means they're as harmful as tobacco smoking and asbestos. Now, we understand that giving up your favorite bacon sandwich might be a tall order, so instead of going cold turkey, why not consider some healthier alternatives? How about trying turkey bacon, or better yet, plant-based meat substitutes that are high in protein and low in fats? Remember, your health is your wealth, so choose wisely. And that concludes our list of the top 10 foods that should be banned. We've journeyed through a gastronomic minefield, exposing the truth about some of our most beloved yet potentially harmful food items. From the sugary pits of soda drinks to the salty depths of processed meats, we've illuminated the dark corners of our pantries and refrigerators. We hope that this exploration has not only enlightened you, but also inspired you to make healthier food choices. After all, the journey towards wellness starts with the decisions we make in the kitchen. Let's replace these foods with healthier alternatives, shall we? Remember, knowledge is the first step towards change, and we are here to provide you with that knowledge. So, let's continue this journey towards a healthier lifestyle together. Thank you for joining us at Braintainment. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening and entertaining videos.